Today we'll talk about how can you view order on your Shopify app. We're going to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, so you just go down, click on this sign down here. When you click on this sign, it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, just click on settings. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do now, just go down here. So you keep going down and you click here on notifications. So when you click on notifications, it's going to take you to this list here. You click here on customer or staff notifications here. So then you come to this list, click here on your order. Then here can you view here new order you have in this list. So that's all you have to do. And here I have this order. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.